All right, good morning. Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. We're going to do a little show through this morning on the Chaparral 298 rear living. Follow me. First thing you're going to notice on the outside, guys, is you're going to have two marine grade speakers, and you're going to have a TV bracket here to add an extra television for when you're out underneath this nice awning with LED lighting, watching a game or whatever. You've got power right here, and you've got your cable hookups right there. So when you're watching that TV, you can hook everything up real easy. You'll notice how nice and full the large compartment is. We've got an aluminum step walking into the coach, nice and light, with a full grab handle. Come on inside. As we walk up, first thing you notice is your control panel where all of your buttons are. Makes everything really easy to operate. Nice dinette table here with an extension for seat for four. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overhead cabinets with theater seating to watch your nice full flat screen television with a fireplace, DVD, CD player that is Bluetooth compatible with a rear couch, nice full window in the back, and that does fold out into a nice size bed. Moving into the kitchen area, we've got a 4-door refrigerator. You've got a nice stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet. You've got an oven, flat top range cover, microwave, and a nice full pantry with 4 shelves. On this side, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers and the nice cabinet area underneath so that you can put stuff underneath the sink. 2 drawers here with a hard surface countertop and additional overhead cabinets. Follow me. I love this grab handle as you go up the steps. In the bathroom, I'll kind of let the camera do the work. You've got a nice full shower with glass doors, a porcelain toilet, extra cabinet space for toiletry items, towels, so forth, a big bowl sink, and a nice north-south bed with storage underneath. You've got a 4-drawer dresser set up. Nice sliding closet door here with washer dryer compatible, extra storage area, and again, more closet space. Already mounted on the wall for you is a TV bracket. Makes it nice with your hookups right here. All LED lighting throughout the ceiling. You'll notice we have nice aluminum wheels on this. And we've got a nice outdoor kitchen area. Rack to go to the top so you can walk on the roof. It is a walkable roof with a hitch on the back so you can either add one of those back racks or bicycle rack. Moving around the side, you've got a nice almost 20-gallon recovery water heater, and all of your docking station is one location right outside here. Makes everything nice and handy with your outdoor shower. Your dump valves are all enclosed that way. Black tank flush, everything's right there. 6-point leveling system, auto level. And we are solar ready. So again, this is a great little unit. My name is Ron.McGowen. You can contact me at Ron.McGowen, McGowen at Guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thank you and have a great day.